Unfortunate news coming in from Rajasthan now. Another case of a gang rape with a minor girl has come to the fore, this time from Alwar. 4 men reportedly abducted a minor and gang raped her. The police have now registered a case under the POCSO Act, but we're given to understand that all the 4 accused are still on the run. Over the last 1 week, we've seen instances of crimes against women come to the fore from Rajasthan, from different parts of the state, in fact. But unfortunately, we've not seen any comment come in from the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, who's also the Home Minister of the state. Arvind is with us for more on this. Arvind, what are the details of this latest case that has come to the fore?
Poonam, again and again we are reporting rape cases, particularly against the minor girls in the state of Rajasthan. And this case has now come from eastern district of Alwar district of Rajasthan, where a minor girl had been abducted by 4 people and raped. In Govindgarh police station, there has been an FIR, and what we've been told by our the sources in the district police there in Alwar, that few of the people have been detained out of the 4 perpetrators. But this is not enough, Poonam. The law and order situation in Rajasthan has gone haywire under Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, who is directly responsible for the law and order because he also holds the home portfolio in Rajasthan. And clearly, the cases coming thick and fast from every nook and corner of Rajasthan, particularly the rape cases coming from Rajasthan, clearly shows that law and order situation in Rajasthan under Ashok Gehlot has gone for a toss.
Right, Arvind, do keep a track of all the cases there and the investigation. For the moment, thank you so much for your inputs. With that, it's a wrap from me on this edition of the Morning News Hour. But before I go, a quick reminder, the India Economic Conclave has always set the stage for driving India's economic agenda. We're back to focus on India's outlook and vision for the new decade and its aspirations for a new India. This year, our theme is India's Decade: Reform, Perform and Transform. It's going to feature the biggest voices from politics, global markets, economy and of course the corporate world. Catch all the action right here on the Times Network.